Hi there, welcome to Some DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out the brand new Ninja Stay Sharp knife block. Okay, I said brand new. It's not brand new, it's brand new to me though. So I've had my eyes on this knife block for a long time now. So I got it as part of the most recent Amazon Prime days, 8th to the 9th of October. Reduced down to £104 I think it was. So we've got the 5-piece set. There is another version of this where it comes with the scissors as well, but I wasn't really bothered about the scissors and they weren't on offer, so I couldn't get it anywhere. But yeah, went for that one. So it's a Stay Sharp knife block, professional sharpening, durable stainless steel, precision blades. As I mentioned, I've had my eyes on it for a while. It's a 5-piece set. It does say where the 5 pieces are. So you've got an 8-inch chef knife, obviously being a chef, that's really important. An 8-inch bread knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, a 5-inch utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. So super excited to use these. There's all the information on there around how they're built, perfectly balanced. It's a chef approved handle as well, not just any old handle, it's chef approved. It's an ergonomic handle, wear resistant, designed for maximum comfort, even for extended periods. German stainless steel, say no more. German, it's going to be good. Rust resistant, strong enough for all your kitchen cutting tasks. So, I'll get out of the box here, we'll have a quick look at it, and then we'll take it inside, I'll do some cutting. I'm making a Chinese dish tonight, so I'll be cutting some chicken, a few veggies, and that's probably about it actually, but we'll use it anyway. Or bread knife, isn't there? I'll cut some bread. But yeah, let's get it open, let's get inside, check it out first of all, what it's like. Warning, sharp objects obviously in there. Comes with a sharpening guide in there, and then this is the knife block itself. Okay. So 2 boxes. I'm guessing that's the block, or the knife block itself, and those will be the knives there. So let's check it out. Okay, so it's wrapped in this white cloth here, like a new Mercedes or new car where you get the white blocks on, the white cloths on, sorry. So it's got, it's like a grey, like a dark grey, blending really well with all the other Ninja stuff we've got. I've done the other Ninja videos just to confirm. I'll link up here to the air fry videos we've done, wood fire and a blender. So it adds to our Ninja family. So that's the knife block. In here are the knives. So I'm super careful with these, because when you get new knives, they tend to be really sharp, obviously. So there we go, I'll hold it up and show you that there. But I'll do it that way. Okay, so knives are in there. There's a little protective bit of like butcher paper or parchment paper. But let's get it out of here. I'm going to use that. We'll see how sharp the actual blades are. See if we can cut that parchment paper. Okay, comes with a nice protective end on cover on the end there. It is nicely balanced actually. I do feel that. Let's give it a go at cutting this. Straight through. I'm sure that's what that plastic's for when you get it, just to test it out with. So I assume each one's got its own compartment. Ooh, I like that one. That is a nice one. That is a really nice one. I can't believe I'm getting excited about knives. That sounds wrong. I'm not like a knife person or like that, into knives. Be safe with knives. Be safe. Just pop these in here. So that's the 8-inch, 5-inch, yeah, I'm going to say, I'm sure 8's longer than that. And then that's the paring knife. It's sharp, I can just tell they're sharp. I'm trying to keep my fingers away from them. So that's it in the block itself, ready to use. I'll take it over to the kitchen so we can put it in a good cutting environment, and we'll give it a go. I'll get some close-ups of me slicing some chicken up in a bit, and then we'll give it like a long-term test probably. We'll test out the sharpening inside as well. I'll read through the guide, see if we've got to do any pre-work, anything like that. Okay, Ninja being Ninja, the instructions are actually quite good. So let me just show you on the side of here. I actually thought, as much as I've wanted one, I've never looked into them. But this is slid up and down to sharpen your knife, which is pretty cool. For some reason I thought you could go like that, like you were stabbing someone, but you don't. You do that to sharpen it. It mentions that they come sharp, so you don't need to sharpen them, and you should do it at least every 2 weeks to keep them nice and sharp. So it's a case of putting the knife in, running this up and down to sharpen your knife 10 times, it says. I think it's at 10 times. 10 times. A slight click will be heard when the lever travels all the way to the bottom of the block. But you can hear that anyway. Yeah. And in here as well, it actually recommends what knife to use for what food. That is very Ninja-like. They like a nice guide. So the chef knife, vegetables, fruit, protein, herbs and nuts. The slicing, large fruit, large vegetables, meat roasts, cold cuts. Bread knife, bread, tomatoes, citrus fruit. Oh, citrus fruit. Never thought of doing that actually, but yeah. 5-inch utility, vegetables, fruit and protein. Your paring knife for small vegetables and small fruit. So yeah, great. As usual, product's really nice looking, as with all the other Ninja stuff, but I am excited to use these. I got some new knives for my birthday once. When they're sharp, obviously they're sharp and they cut, you've got to be super careful with them when they're sharp. But yeah, let's take them inside. Let's start cutting some stuff up. Food, not else, food. So let's go inside now and give it a go. Okay, all done with this video. Just a quick unboxing, showing you what's in the with the knives, what comes with the knives, a block, etc, etc. Showed some cutting, so with some chicken, a few vegetables there. Got to find the right spot in the kitchen for the knife block. Well, my wife needs to find the right spot for the knife block. We'll go wherever she says, but obviously somewhere where it's in good reach for getting knives when needed to cut food, chop food and stuff like that. So overall, really smart. Exactly what I expected and hoped for. Knives can be expensive. If you're a professional or someone that knows what they're on about with knives, let us know in the comment section if the actual Ninja knives are worth it from a knife perspective. The Ninja brand usually creates, obviously, and manufactures and designs great products. The air fryer, the smoothie maker, the wood fire have all been great so far. So this gets added to our Ninja family of bits and bats in the house. Okay, a real quick update before we finish, just a few pictures just to show you how sharp these knives are. I accidentally chopped a little bit of my fingertip off, so yeah, be careful with these guys, they are really sharp. This were a visit to A&E for me. So not the advert you want to see for these sharp knives, but they are sharp. Okay, back to the outro. So I'll probably follow up with a follow-up video, obviously, that's a follow-up, and around kind of how they've been. I might do a little bit of short-form content showing off that sharpening, and then we'll do a follow-up video, just kind of how the knives are getting on. I mean, that sounds like, but how the knives are doing, how I'm finding them, etc, etc. But I'll take great care of them, take great care of my fingers so I don't cut them, and hopefully have some great chopping fun with the knives. So yeah. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed the video, or it's been informative at least, about the knife block, the knives, etc. If you're looking to get some yourself maybe. If you've got any questions about the actual knives or anything else at all, maybe something in the kitchen, I don't know what, but drop that in the comment section. I'll reply to any questions and comments. Please like the video. I think I said that, but please like the video. If you didn't like it, dislike it, but let me know in the comment section why. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, cooking, home DIY projects, giveaways, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.